Hello, my name is Alexander and you are on the DP Labs channel. I am currently actively engaged in the development and production of scooters. We decided to develop new dual piston brakes because in certain operating conditions, the previous version's brakes were insufficient. We also made the decision to switch to more powerful and robust bearings, because the previous ball bearings only lasted for 6,000 kilometers before they started making noise. I decided to install roller bearings. Their load capacity is 10 times higher. I think these will work well. Now I want to make a new part for the engine. The impeller will be forcibly cooled by air from the brake pads. I've carefully clamped the part securely into the fixture that I made earlier, and now I want to machine it from the other side. The spindle spins up for 6 seconds, then the machining will begin. See you guys. It was great seeing you all today. Take care and have a wonderful day. Now we're going to chamfer the edges. First, the outer holes will be carefully and thoroughly chamfered, and then the inner holes, so that when you insert the oil seal, it does not get damaged. After that, a clean and smooth chamfer will be made on the outside, just for aesthetics. Alright then, this will be the mold that we will use for casting the polyurethane. I need to make a seal for the engine. So to make it, I need to create a mold for casting. That means there will be two halves like this, and we'll end up with something like this. Alright, the milling is done. We can take the workpiece off the table. And now, just like in the good old days, we're working with a hammer and chisel. That's it. Now I just need to carefully chamfer the edges a bit by hand, and then the parts will finally be ready for casting. I need to trim this tube to size and insert it into the mold so that the polyurethane seal will be cast around it and air will pass through this tube. Alright, all the tubes are in place, and this is how it's going to work. We'll pour 2-component polyurethane in here and then close it up to make everything as secure as possible. Then we'll screw it together and leave it for 16 hours. Now I'm mixing the 2-component polyurethane to pour it into the mold. I mixed it 1-to-1 as stated in the instructions, and now I'm stirring it vigorously for 5 minutes. Yeah, I like it too, honestly. I really do enjoy it, just like you said. For the final touch, let's now carefully insert the tubes. Alright, finished. Something with the polyurethane is making it a bit more challenging to go in at the moment. Before, the mixture went into the mold quite easily, with no trouble at all. That step is now finished. At this point, we simply leave the mold alone for 16 hours, which allows it enough time to set and harden properly. After this waiting period, we'll check to see what results we get in the next step.
What the hell is going on here?
Dad! Randy! Well, that
It was a ghost, yeah. That's some really strange ectoplasm, you know. Did you actually see the ghost, or did you just feel its presence? He ran through here and got me all dirty.